What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Jesus Coin yet again. Going over, our daily updates here. We are officially on the candlestick, the candle bar of December 18th. We are 1 week away from the burn date from Christmas Day itself, based off of the charts here. So, for me, it's still the 17th, but on this chart, it is the 18th. Someone in the comments was saying that they think this is a falling wedge, and maybe it is. Maybe that's not how you have it drawn, but maybe it's a falling wedge. I think that it kind of, at this point, it's always easier to see a pattern whenever it's coming to the end of its look, but it kind of, to me, looks like a bullish pennant. Maybe it's a bullish flag. Maybe, if we look at the 1 hour, it's kind of got a horizontal channel look to it, with like your top being here and your bottom being here. It's kind of got this horizontal channel look. It could be all of those things. It could be none of those things. But I do think, whatever you want to call it, pattern-wise, it is some form of consolidation. And I do believe we're coming to the end of it, right? Volume's dying off. We're getting less volume. When we see that volume come in, we will probably get our move. And I think that it will be to the upside. It could be to the downside, but I do think it'll be to the upside. 4 hour RSI is rather neutral, not doing too much, where before we were being held down by the 50, now we're like being held up by it, so kind of encouraging. Still at the same price areas nonetheless. 1 hour, not a whole lot to go off of. If we go back out to the daily, for those of you who might be wondering, the Heikinashi is still green. Yes, yesterday closed red. Yes, we are a little bit red today. We only closed red by 2.3%. We're only down by 2% today. Let's keep this green. Yeah, I would hate to see it turn red, that's for sure. That would put a stop on our momentum. But I do think that we're going to continue to go up. Whenever we flipped green here, 2 days that were small, and then it got big. We had like 3 days that were small, 4 days that were small, and then it got big. So here, I guess, really just 1 day, and then it got big. But 2 days and then big. So all I'm trying to say is we don't have to, just because it's green now doesn't mean we have to move up. Though I do think sometime this week we're going to see that move out. I think that right now, again, we're in like something like this. And maybe it's not. Maybe it's not this, but I think we're in like something like that, little pennant pattern, and we're getting ready to break out. So things look good. Where would we go? Like if this was a measure move for any of these things, it'd kind of be, I don't know, maybe I can take that as the top. Just be conservative. And then from the point of breakout, if it was a pennant, that would take us, that actually wouldn't take us even to new all-time highs. But I do think we would see new all-time highs. It could be a bull flag too, little flagpole flag coming out here. And with that kind of look, you'd probably get a measure move that would take you to 5016, something like that, which there are price targets up there as well. So however you want to look at it, upside for sure, or maybe not for sure, but upside is likely. And not a whole lot's changed, guys. Maybe we're coming down right now to form that double bottom on our 50 as we have done. Maybe today closes green and we actually continue upwards. It would really, really, really be nice, you guys, to get a day to close in this 60 area or above. When we find resistance on it, we're held down by it. But when we break through it, that's when we get those expansion phases, right? So it'd be really, really nice to get the 60 or the RSI above the 60. And then from high to low here, closing a day above this 382 would be nice as well. I think what would matter more, though, in my opinion, is getting above this 618 all the way up at about 604. And I remember saying that a couple times yesterday, so I'm just going over that today as well. Yeah, I don't know if I got anything else to add. So, do I? No, I don't think I do. So yeah, that's it. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to see more. And I will see you on the next one. Have a good day, a good night, wherever you are. And take care of yourselves. Bye-bye. Yeah, I got nothing else, man. Bye-bye.